Got me thinking about you, and I'm thinking about all the things that we used to do. Thoughts are coming in a wave, so I'll say it to your face. Better only tell the truth. Yeah, I'm trusting you. Every time you come around, make me think you my dude. Think I know you either way. Yeah, I know you want me stay. Yeah, so are you down to ride with a bitch like me? Will you come around with a bitch like me? Told you don't play around with a bitch like.
You're probably wondering, what the hell are you drinking? I got, this was kindly gifted to me by the company, The Collagen Co. They sent me 3 different types of collagen. Well, they're all the same collagen. So these 2 are flavored. This is unflavored. So this one's great for putting in smoothies. If you're having like a fruit drink, put a scoop of 2 scoops of this. So it's really good. This one you get 15 grams of collagen peptides per serve, biotin B7, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Now, people always think I am much younger than what I am. I'm 31. I like to make sure that I get my, what's the word? Vitamins and whatnot. And, you know, I do things to prevent wrinkles or age quicker. So this is one thing that I have been taking. This one is the strawberry watermelon flavor. Watermelon flavor. This is the passion fruit mango. And like I said, the blue one is unflavored. I got this just over a week ago. It tastes that great that I'm literally halfway. It's to there. You can take up to 2 servings, which is 2 scoops, which you just saw, and just mix it with water. You can mix it with cordial, juice, put in whatever you want. I prefer to put it in a pink, aesthetically pleasing bottle, and I put 600 mils of water. I've had it with 400 mils, which is the recommended serving. With this, it tastes great. Seriously. What I like about it, it's good for your hair, skin, nails, and joints. So it's like, and it's got the hyaluronic acid. I use that as a cream or like as a part of my skincare, but the fact that I can drink it is great. This is also, it's for glowing and radiant skin, thicker and healthier hair, support nail strength and growth, joint and tendon health, support healthy gut, grass-fed and pasture raised. So if I'm not mistaken, this is gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, soy-free. Sugar, it's got 0.2 grams per serving. It's so fresh, and it's made in Australia. Like, support the Australian companies. I am so happy that I found this, and they did contact me, but oh my God, get onto it. If you struggle with getting your water intake, this is a really good way to get your water intake, because it tastes really nice. It tastes really good. I can't really tell you which one I like best because they're pretty good. Like this one came with 14 sachets. I'm down to 8 sachets. I tend to drink this one just because this is good for if you're on the go. Like if you go to work, take a sachet with you, put it in your handbag or your lunchbox, and you just drink it, you know. This one's just because it's, for me, I just find it easier to scoop and Yeah, for me. I haven't used the unflavored one as of yet because I haven't been making smoothies or anything, but when I do, that's why it's still closed, definitely get onto it. You know, and if you're a busy mom or, you know, you work, or not even a mom, just like busy, period, it's so good. You're going to the gym, take that. It's so easy to get in your collagen these days. And I can't tell people enough to take it because long term, it is so good for you. So, and like I will literally drink this pretty quickly. Sometimes I have it with my lunch. But like I said, up to 2 servings a day. Sometimes I do drink 1, but that's why I'm getting through mine so much quicker. I will leave a discount code. No, I do not make any commission off the discount code. But hey, there's a code there. Use it. Try it. You will seriously thank me later because, like I said, it's the best way to get your collagen in. I'll leave the code up on the screen and down below. I'll leave all the information, website, links, everything, so you guys can get onto it too.